Hi everyone, today I am excited to share this Canva design with you. I create it to be clean and easy to follow. The goal was to keep things simple while still making an impact. I hope you enjoy it. Let's take a quick look. Let's start with YouTube thumbnails. Thumbnails are super important, but important because they are the first thing people see. I used Canva to add bold text, bright colors, and images that grab attention. Canva even has templates sized perfectly for YouTube SEO, but SO, so I did not have to use that dimension. Next, for social media post, Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, Canva makes it easy to keep things looking clean. You can use your own photo or choose from Canva free library of elements, icons, and fonts. I keep it my design simple but eye catching, using and speeching to make the content stand out. Business card is very important things because it it's for a website, an event, or an online store. Canva helps you create high resolution banners. Banners. Business card. Choose a color that fits my personal or brand style. It's also easy to download and send straight to print. So let's go now for banners. Banners, it's for website, an event, or an online store. Canva helps you create high resolution banners that are the right size of platform you are using. I used bold headers, clean layouts, and added icons to give it a modern look. What? What I love most about Canva is that it helps you create designs quickly but still lets you be creative. You are a student, business or owner, content creator, or just someone who wants to make cool barriers. Canva is a great tool to have. So in just few minutes I was able to design all these different visuals without needing software or design skill. But that the power of Canva. It makes design easy, fun, and drag drop so easily and you used very easy to Canva because Canva is professional designing YouTube thumbnail, logos, banners, and many things. So I finished my first class. So assalamu alaikum, goodbye.